Assalamualaikum, step 4. Hope you all are fine. So today we'll be revising our game Jumping Bird. We have already did this in class, so today we'll just revise it over. So first of all, you know what you have to do. You have to open the mBlock, then just go on sprites, and we got panda here, so we have to remove it. Click on the cross, delete, it's gone. Now add. Let's find our bird in here. You could select any bird, but you could open book page number 48 for reference. They have used the bird 46 in here. Click on it. Okay, here is it. It's done. Now we could add the other sprites as well. We have bombs, two bombs in here. Yeah, bomb 36. We'll click on props and we got all the props that we could use. Here. Okay, that's it for the sprites. Now we're gonna add the background. Click on the background plus we'll take city 8. Alright, now set the positions on the stage area. We could also adjust the size of the bombs and the bird. Size and orientation by this. Here it is 100. We could just click on it and make it 60. I guess that's fine. Yeah. Same for the second sprite. 60. That's it. Okay, now everything is adjusted on the respective position. Now we have to start our programming. Yeah, page number 48, we have to start we'll do programming on the first sprite. We have to select bird 46 and then we'll go here. As you all know, every program will start with the event and we have to select this one when green flag is clicked. Then go to motion. No, go to looks and switch background to here. Now we'll add city 8 in here as we use that background. Now go to the motion block and we'll add the x and y axis. Click, drag, drop, then adjust the angles. It's minus 180 and the y1 is minus 120. That's it. Now we have to go to the variables and we have to make a variable. Our variable would be score. Yes, click OK. Now set score to 0. Take it and drop it here. Our one program is done. Now we have to again go to the event when space bar is clicked, because we have to click the space to make the bird to jump. Alright, then we have to add the sound. The instructions are clearly given on page number 50. I'm just following that pattern to put the blocks. Sound, play, start sound, pop. Okay, then we'll go on control and repeat 10. And in motion, change Y to change Y by it will go in the control block. It says 10, but as the book instruct, we have to write 20 in here. Yeah, now go back to the control block again, take another repeat block, and then go back to the motion block. Alright, now we'll go to the variable block and we'll add the change score by 1. We could adjust it accordingly as we want to increase our score by 1, so we put 1. If you want to increase it, you could add 2, 4, anything you want. Alright, you could see as the scoreboard is appearing on the stage area. So our work is done. Now I would like you all to repeat this on your own computer or laptops so that you'll have the practice. That's it for today. We'll start editing the bomb 36 and bomb tomorrow in tomorrow class, and we'll continue from here. Allah Hafiz.